Both hot and cold servings of apple cider are acceptable. There is no right or wrong way to consume it. Apple cider vinegar can be consumed in several different ways. Do not drink it straight from the bottle. Take 1 or 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and mix with water. Try warming your cider up with water before serving it to bring out its autumnal tastes by adding a clove or cinnamon stick. Just warm the water up, do not mix apple cider vinegar with cooked water. Additionally, you can combine it with honey or lemon. But keep it basic if you're drinking it at night. Just combine 1 teaspoon of apple cider vinegar well with a cup or glass of water, preferably warm water, and drink it before bed. When waking up in the morning, consume it with cold water, 20 minutes before you have breakfast. How do you drink your apple cider vinegar? Let us know in the comments down below. If you want more information, you can read the description or watch this next video.